if OK Google or Google Assistant is not working in your Android device, then let us see how to fix it. The first thing what you need to do is you need to make sure that the default language for your Android device is English. For that one, we'll go to settings, we'll go to Google settings, we'll go to search, then we'll go to voice language, and make sure that here it is English and not other languages. Now what we'll do is we'll go to voice match and make sure that access with voice match it is turned on. Also what we can do is we can go to retrain voice model and then select I agree, and from here you have to again say OK Google in order to let the Android device recognize your voice. So I will say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google. Now select finish. Now the other thing what we will do is, if you are using Samsung S8, S7 or S9, then there is Samsung's own voice assistant called Bixby. Try to disable Bixby and check if the Google Assistant works or not. If you want to disable Bixby, then what you do is you swipe to the right, this opens Bixby Home, tap on this menu option, go to settings, and there is Bixby voice here, disable it. Now try to use OK Google again and check if it's working or not. And the other thing what you can do is, if you have installed another third-party voice search app, then try to delete those third-party voice searching app and check if the Google Assistant works or not. And the last trick which you want to use is try to restart your Android device and check if the Google Assistant works or not. Sometimes simply restarting your device can solve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.